What's going on, everybody? Slang Dutchman here. I'm very happy to announce that we have a second drift car on the channel. Now, my neighbor was, he said, was very inspired by me and my drifting and my building of the car, and he was like, I want to do that as well. So he bought himself, same as Spock, a 318, but this is a touring, so the station model. But the 318, as we seen in the previous video, is good enough to drift. So this is going to be a new addition to the drift cars here, and well, we're going to be doing some content together, some drifting together. He's going to be in more videos of course, because I finally have a drift buddy now in the area, which there was no one around. And first thing to do, he was like, well, he just got the car this week, and now it's weekend, and he was like, I need to weld the diff, because this is not an option. So we took the whole diff out. I don't know if you can see that, it's a little bit too dark I think on the camera, but took the diff out. We already stripped half of the interior out because you need the lightweight. So I'm starting this video up a little bit late, but then again, just us unbolting some stuff. Just the announcement is excited enough, I think. So here we have, let's keep the tomato plants out of sight. Here we have his diff. We already took the cover off, letting it drip a little bit, and then clean it up, and we're gonna weld it. And for the people that don't know, you want your diff to be rotating like this, both all going on the same side, like both wheels connected. So you want to weld these gears up. If you don't do that, one wheel is able to spin. Can you hold this one? Then one wheel is able to spin, and as you can see, one is then standing still, the other one is able to move, which will result in just the wheel with the least amount of load on it, so the inside wheel spinning, which is not good for drifting. You just want it to lock basically on acceleration, deceleration, everything. So we're going to clean it up and then put a little plate in here, weld everything up, fill it up with oil, and let's send it. Alright, so we got a little plate in. I didn't do that with mine, and now we're just welding it up, like doing the corners, welding the plate up to all the sprockets, and then to the gears, and then doing the gears to the casing on like the outside. So just gonna hand over the camera to you. I'm not a professional welder by any means, but I get the job done. So, you know, fill up a little bit of the open holes that's still there, and then it should be all good. We already did the other side, and sorry for the wind noise, but we love it because it's warm as hell. And it's ready to test some skids. So we all welded it up. I think these welds are pretty decent. I'm proud of myself, and I think this will hold forever. We already flushed it with oil once, so we noticed no loose material in there. We scratched a little bit of the like things that and just like that I got still one off. Okay, round two. And if that is all gone, mine was just filled with oil and I just sent it, and it's still alive. So, and if you compare the state of that oil to that oil, and factory says 1.1 liter you need to put in it, but like the canisters comes in 1 liter, so you need to have 2. But then again, it's welded, so you only have to like loop up one main, like the ring gear, and not those inside. So 1 liter is enough. So now the fluid is in, I'm doing this before we do the other shit, because otherwise you need to take the, what is it, the caps off and fill it that way, and this is way easier. So we just fill it up, put the cover on, put the bolts in. Should be done. So the diff is done. It's all under there and installed. So now letting it warm up, because it just, as soon as I did the last bolt, it started to rain. And I was like, well, if it's gonna rain, we're gonna test it immediately. But unfortunately, the rain stopped. So hopefully it's gonna leak a little bit more later today. But looking at those clouds and how the days are lately, it's like we got rain 10 times in a day and sunshine 10 times in a day. It's a little bit weird, but let's see how it rolls. En altijd gelijk koppeling in. Als je denkt nee, koppeling in. Easy on the limiter. You can only blow it up once.
Is het niet fijn?
Attempt to. Compared to my coupe though, even though it's the same wheelbase, it feels longer. But it can also be due to the suspension still being stock. So after that I would say mission accomplished. And I would highly recommend that the next step would be lowering it, because it feels like a boat, it handles like a boat, and it floats. It floats like a boat. So I think as soon as you got the differential, the car lowered, stiff, it stays more horizontal, and then it's more predictable. You know where it's gonna end up sliding, and like I said, from there on, angle kit, hydro, whatever you want. But I think lowering is
the next step.
Yeah, 200 euros, you got a decent coilover set, and then we'll probably film something what we do, because this is 5 meters further than my car, so and it's great content building another drift car, which I also love to do, but I only have one car, so this is an opportunity to build another one basically, and it's not even my money. Just need to do the shitty work. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Please thumbs up, give it a like, and comment down below what do you think of this car. What do you think he should do to it, first mod or visual things. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Whether you like it or